Hey loves! Welcome back to Precious&Coolex. Today I'll be showing you how I make my glow-boosting black soap. Perfect for clear, soft, radiant skin. Step 1. Base ingredients. I'm starting with Ghana black soap, known for deep cleansing, fighting acne, and removing excess oil. Next, I add white soap to give it that smooth texture and gentle lather on the skin. Then Ozone Soap. This helps to fight bacteria, reduce infections, and keep your skin fresh and healthy. Skin treatment boosters. I'm adding 3 days lightning balls to help brighten the skin and reduce dark spots. Anti-Pimple Balls. Perfect for fighting acne, breakouts, and keeping your face clear. Moisture and glow oils. Now I go in with honey. This helps to moisturize, heal the skin, and give that natural glow. Palm kernel oil deeply nourishes and softens the skin. DOP helps improve skin texture and gives that smooth, silky feel, and also helps in foaming. And vitamin C oil for brightening, fading dark spots, and boosting radiant skin. Step 2. Melting process. I add everything into water and allow it to boil gently until it softens and blends well. Mix everything together until smooth and well combined. If you want the soap to be more black, add just little of Ozone Soap and Turmeric. Step 3. Natural exfoliation and glow mix. Once it's well mixed, I add turmeric. Helps brighten skin and reduce inflammation. Rice powder for gentle exfoliation and smooth skin. Orange peel, rich in vitamin C, helps fade dark spots and improve skin tone. Mix everything together until smooth and well combined. Step 4. Finishing touch. Finally, I add my perfume for that fresh, luxurious scent and a preservative to keep the product lasting longer. Final talk. And that's it. This black soap helps with acne and pimples, dark spots and uneven skin tone, oily skin control, smooth, glowing skin. If you want that natural glow, this is your go-to soap. Call to action. Don't forget to follow up Precious&Coolex, like, and share this video with someone who needs glowing skin.
This video wasn't planned at all. I urgently needed a fresh batch of my black soap for personal use. And because so many of you have been requesting my recipe, I decided to record the process while making it. So if the video isn't perfect, please bear with me, it was made on the spot just for you.